guys. Hello, Merry Christmas and welcome. Come on inside. Well, Merry Christmas. So I come to you from none other than Gaylord Palms here, guys, in Orlando. This is the place to be for Christmas. I feel like if you can't go to New York, all those big places for Christmas, Gaylord Palms is the place to be in Orlando for Christmas at Christmas time. So we're going to take you around and on our journey while we're staying here. We're staying here for 2 nights at the Gaylord Palms in Orlando. So I'm going to kind of take you around and let you see kind of all the Christmas festivities. I'm going to try to do as much as I can in these 2 days. But I first want to start with our room tour, guys. I want to take you around our room so you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. And then, guys, make sure you stay to the end. I have a very, very, very great surprise for you. So make sure you watch the end to tell you why this room is one of the top rooms to get here in Orlando when you're staying for Christmas. So let's just start the room tour. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, guys, I want to welcome you guys. Hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing and you get to follow me along my journey. Also, if you like today's video, guys, give me a thumbs up. Again, I'm doing the room tour on this video, but then on my second video I'm going to be attaching to this will be everything you can do here at Gaylord Palms to make your Christmas the most memorable ever. So again, subscribe, like, and share, guys. Share. And lastly, if you have stayed at the Gaylord Palms for Christmas, let me know what your experience was like and if you would do it again. Let's go ahead and get started with today's room tour. This is a room tour of a 1 king deluxe room or deluxe suite. So again, as you come in the foyer, you do have a storage closet here. So it's kind of broken up into 2 sections. So this is the first section. This is where you're going to find your safe. You've got some drawers. You've got some space down here if you want to put your shoes or just tuck some things in there. And then you also have some space up here. A little small rack here if you want to hang something up kind of short. But this is the first portion of the closet or storage unit here. Then on the other side, I love it. If you open these doors, this light automatically comes on, so I love that feature. But on the other side, you have a smaller closet, but you see we have some luggage in there. You do have a luggage rack. You have an ironing board. You do have some hangers, your iron, obviously the rack for the hangers so you can hang clothes and you can store suitcases as well. Kind of to the left, you kind of have almost like a split bathroom, if you will, which I kind of love because this room only has 1 bathroom. So you kind of have to make the best of it. So what they've done is they've kind of sectioned it. You have a sliding kind of pocket door here, if you will. So you can kind of slide this portion closed. And then you have a separate section here. So this front section here, hello, how are you? Merry Christmas, is basically where you're going to find your sink. You have your Kleenex. We brought some paper towels. There was some soap here. They had extra towels here and washcloths and a hair dryer there. And a little place here if you wanted to store some things. And they have a mirror here. And actually you can touch this mirror to adjust the lighting in here depending on if you want daytime, nighttime. So that's a good feature there as well. This is the first part of the bathroom. So someone can be in here brushing their teeth, washing their face, you know, putting on makeup, getting ready, while someone else is in this portion, kind of tucked away behind this little door here, if you will, sliding pocket door, using the bathroom or getting a shower. So if we open this up, you'll actually see that you have a commode here, toilet paper, trash can, extra toilet paper, towels there, and a nice shower. Now this resort has been recently remodeled about a year or 2 ago. We've actually stayed here twice, so this is our 3rd time, and I can definitely see the improvements, and I appreciate the improvements because it was much needed. So it is much more luxurious. Again, this is a shower here. So you have all your handles here to adjust the temperature and pressure. And then this is your shower head, your shower products. You do have a shower wand. So a good size shower. I'm definitely appreciating the size of the shower. Now, if you come on in here, you do have another pocket door here. So you can separate this. This is the king bedroom. You can separate that off from the bathroom here. So again, you have a pocket door here separating off the toilet, the bedroom, as well as the sink area. There's another pocket door here that I didn't show you, but this is a pocket door here that will pull out to separate this whole portion from the foyer and the rest of the room. So as we come in, again, pocket door will slide open, or you can leave it closed or open. This is the king bed here. So nice size bed here. So you do have 2 nightstands on either side. Looks like there is a telephone. They always come with a notepad and pen. And there's actually a mirror behind the actual lamp there, so that's good. There is a ceiling fan, so you can appreciate that. It does light up, so it gives more light to this room. So there is a light on the ceiling fan, so it functions both as a fan as well as a light. A good sized king bed here in the middle. Then you have your second nightstand here with another lamp here as well as mirror. And then you have your clock. And it looks like you have multiple ways to charge devices. So USB and standard outlets here. So they don't skimp on that. And directly across, oh, I found some more outlets. So there's 2 more outlets that are functional here that you can use. And then a nice size TV here. And then a nice size dresser there. So you can store your clothes and things like that. Now there is a door. You can actually go outside of this door here to go into the main area, living area of this space. Or you can keep it closed if you want privacy and just go around like we did here, or you can go straight out. I will point out that there is a thermostat in here so you can control the temperature. And here is where I kind of controlled like the lighting on the ceiling fan as well as the temperature of the fan there as well. So again, coming back through, I'll take you back through the rest of the room. Okay guys, so coming directly out of the bathroom, we're going to enter into the rest of the room. Here is a nice mirror so you can check your outfit, check your Christmas apparel. But let's go ahead and get into the rest of this room. So as we come in, I will say that because this is a suite, there are adjoining rooms. So there's a door here to adjoin, and there's another adjoining room on the other side. So you can actually have family sitting on both sides and kind of make this area kind of like the meeting area or meeting space. But again, I love this area. So I don't know where to start. Let's start here. You've got a TV here, a nice armoire, a nice entertainment center here. Plenty of storage there as well. It is functional, so nice TV, and it actually has your name. So it says good evening, Shalay. So it actually welcomes you there, but nice TV there. You have a lamp there on that side. We'll have to say that the lighting here, we'll get to the rest of the suite here, is kind of dim here. Not too bright. There are 2 more lamps I probably could have turned on back there, but it's not overly bright. It's obviously I'll show you the icing on the cake, maybe the reason why it's not so bright, because in the daytime you won't need it. But anyway, so you have 2 chairs here, 1 on each side, and then you have kind of like your coffee table here in the middle. You have a nice size couch here. Again, 2 end tables on each side with 2 lamps there. And I'll show you what's outside that door there in just a few minutes. We actually have 2 doors, and that's one of the reasons why you need to get this room behind those 2 doors, but I'll show you that momentarily. So let's come over here. So over here you have a little sink, so this is functional. You can wash your hands, wash some produce or whatever you may need here. You also have a Keurig here, so you can make your coffee and tea products there. They also have some coffee and tea in the box there. Another mirror, hello. And down here you have a little refrige. It is tiny, I will say that. And it's not stock, so it doesn't come with anything, but if you want to put a couple items in there, you can. But it is very tiny. But at least there is one for you here in the suite. I do wish the refrigerator was larger because it is small for such a big room. That would probably be my only complaint. For such a large room, you should have a larger refrigerator. And then also behind this door, you have just storage space underneath the sink. But if you wanted to store something there, you could, I guess, if you needed to. But you have that space there as well. So here's just another view of the room. They have a nice work desk here. So if you wanted to come and do some work, you can do that. There's plenty of conferences that are always held here at Gaylord Palms. So nice space to do some work. A chair here. There's a phone, a pen, another lamp. And it looks like some more outlets, both USB and standard outlets. You have your trash can and recycle bin there as well. You also have more outlets, so they don't lack on outlets. Plenty of outlets here. Again, another way to control the air here, so another unit. You have a nice table. Excuse our mess. We just kind of, got checked in here, so we have a few things to nibble on and some of our luggage and things. But it looks like it can actually accommodate at least 6, maybe 8 people. So there's 3 chairs this way, and it looks like kind of like a sofa bench type deal on this side. So you could put 2 more chairs and actually make 8 here. So again, great space in here. I love this. I love how spacious it is in here. Again, I wish they had a larger refrigerator, but I do like that. So again, here you have another door that connects to another room. So if you wanted, again, to use this space, there's a connecting door there and another connecting door to a room there. So you can actually connect all 3 rooms if you wanted to this main suite. Look at the chandelier. It's so beautiful, so unique. So I like that. And again, you have just another little area here for storage. You can put plenty of things here, either on top or inside this beautiful piece here. So beautiful. 2 lamps, another mirror. And again, I'll just show you quickly. This was the room, the bedroom. So if you wanted to open this door, you can leave this door open. But for privacy, you know, you can close it as well. But you kind of see the flow. You can come out of the bedroom and directly into the suite to enjoy the rest of the area. Now, I want to get to one of the reasons why, or the main reasons why, to stay at Gaylord Palm, especially this room, for Christmas time. Let's see, how can we get out there? I know you saw there's 2 doors there, right? I'm going to show you why I chose this room, and particularly its location. So Gaylord Palm is broken up, the resort is broken up to different sections, but I chose this room. I paid a little bit extra to get this room at Christmas time for basically one reason. So I'm going to take you out. We do have a balcony. There's actually 2 of them, and share with you why this room is so special at Christmas time here at Gaylord Palm. Are you ready? Let's go. So as I flip the camera around, guys, this is why you need to stay in this room at Gaylord Palm during Christmas, guys. We have the best view of the Christmas tree, guys, here in the main atrium. Not only can you see all of the main atrium here, guys, but you can see the beautiful Christmas tree. They do a light show, so I'll probably attach a little bit of the light show to this video. They also do multiple shows here, guys. So normally you would pay for some of the shows. Some of them are complimentary, but because we have this room, guys, we actually have access or are able to view the shows directly from our room, so we don't have to pay anything extra. We can just sit here and enjoy the shows, the light shows, see the Christmas tree, see the beautiful atrium, guys. What better place to be, guys, for Christmas? Look at this. What better place to be for Christmas than here at the beautiful Gaylord Palms? We're in the Emerald Bay side, so we are pretty much closer to the convention side. I'm kind of directly across from where you would check in, but this is the view, guys. This is it. This is my Christmas. I can just sit out here forever and just watch this Christmas tree. They do light shows and other shows out here. I think 2 or 3 different shows. So I will try to capture that and take you along for that experience as well. But this is why you stay at Gaylord Palm for Christmas, especially in the Emerald Bay view. You do have to request a stage view room. This is a stage view room, so if you want this view of the Christmas tree and of the stage, you've got to request it. There are standard rooms as well as suites that have this view, but yeah, this is a great view, guys. I love it. It's so good. But let's get back to the balcony. This is the balcony. There's 2 of them. So on this side there are 2 chairs. Again, this is your view from this balcony. It's amazing. I love it. And then we'll go on the other side. Hi, Mom. Mom's on the other side, so we'll take you on the other side. But there's another balcony as well, pretty much identical if we come out on this side. So this is the balcony on this side, so pretty much the same space. And again, this is the view that you get from the balcony. Isn't this magnificent? It's just wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. So again, this was the room tour. So this is a king 1-bedroom king deluxe suite here, again at the beautiful Gaylord Palms for Christmas. No other place to be for Christmas than at the Gaylord Palm in Orlando. So if you find yourself in the Orlando area wondering where you can stay to still feel like Christmas, we all know that Florida doesn't give you Christmas feeling, but I feel like at Gaylord Palm you do get that Christmas feeling. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, guys. Also subscribe. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you get to follow me along my journey. And leave comments, guys. Let me know what you thought of today's room tour. Have you stayed at Gaylord Palm for Christmas? Would you stay at Gaylord Palm for Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, guys, share. Sharing really helps my channel as well, guys, to let other people know what there is to see and do in Orlando, especially at Christmas time. Oh, don't forget, so there's more. So we're just checking in, but there's so much more to see and do. So there's so many activities, shows, and we're actually going to a buffet. So we're going to eat dinner tomorrow. We've got to go see the ice show. We've got gingerbread making houses. There's so many activities. There's a store. I'm going to take you along the journey. So guys, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. That way you'll see the next part of this video, because it's probably going to be broken up into 2 or 3 sections. So make sure you are watching so you can see all there is to see and do here at Gaylord Palms for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and until next time, bye guys.